Good evening, Bangladeshi Fiverr sellers. If you don't complete the Fiverr new account verification steps, buyers from Europe won't be able to view your gig. This is a new update. Starting from February 17, 2025, if you want to work with clients from Europe or anywhere in the world, you must complete ID verification. First, go to Settings, where you will see Personal and Business Information option, then click the Verify option. You will see three options there. Select No if you don't have a company or agency, then click Next. Then verify your phone number, press Continue. Continue your verification.
We need some information to help us confirm your identity. By continuing, you will begin the process of ID verification. Fiverr works with Persona, a service provider that uses automated tools for the purpose of preventing fraud. To help Fiverr your identity, your ID image and selfie images will only be saved for 30 days and then deleted. See the Fiverr privacy policy for more details.
Click Begin verifying. What country is your government ID from?
This helps us determine the best way to verify your identity. Your display country will reflect the country you provide here, Bangladesh.
Select Consent to start your verification.
By clicking I consent and continuing, you understand that you will be asked to take a selfie showing your face and consent to the comparison of this photo with your government ID. You agree to Fiverr using personal and their service provider, blah blah blah, etc.
Then I'm clicking I consent to the above, then continue. Then personal information.
Enter the details as they appear on the document you will use to verify your identity. This can be a driver license, passport, or other form of ID.
So first name, last name, email address, then phone number, address, then press continue. Done. Congratulations, you are done. Thanks for verifying your identity. Done. Let's see. We are still working on your identity verification.
We will notify you once your verification is completed.
Let's check out the notification.
Your information was verified. You can now sell to all global clients across Fiverr marketplace.
Now my Fiverr account is verified. Now let's check it again. I'm clicking Settings.
Personal and Business Info section. Let's see. You are all set. Thanks for verifying your identity, which helps make our marketplace safer and more trustworthy for everyone. Thank you, everybody.